So it lets us do a big operation in the smallest possible way, and there's really nothing else like that right now.
Oh, it's a lot simpler. You make the guide off of your initial CT, you plan, which is actually very similar to some of the other systems, but once you're in the OR, you're putting the guide just individually on the lamina, and it's really just about making the right fit.
It really can decrease the amount of radiation used in the operating room. I don't even put the C-arm in the operating room until the very end of the case. I just don't need to use any sort of x-ray in the operating room. Most importantly, probably, surgeon stress can be decreased. For people that do these difficult cases, the stress can be quite high, and if you have a good idea of the anatomy beforehand, the surgery is much more relaxing, so to speak.